Hello, my name is Philips Sykes and I am the founder and principal of the British School of Excellence. First of all, thank you for your interest in the Polish professional and for downloading the course overview. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to take control of your first impression, build meaningful connections, and reach your professional goals? When it comes to investments, one of the best you can make is in yourself. Learning new skills and developing yourself will give you a sense of accomplishment that can transform your mindset, confidence, and motivation. Whether you are looking to progress in your current role, planning to set up your own business, or looking for a new job, the Polish professional will help you stand out for all the right reasons. If you would like to find out how you can maximize your professional presence, please get in touch to set up a no obligation Zoom meeting or telephone call. We would love to talk to you about your professional goals, challenges, and ambitions.